Hey everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this haul video. So this is a local haul and I picked up some things here. The first thing that I was very happy to see was this die. Now they're pretty much sold out most places. This is by Sue Wilson and I just really like the font. There's, I don't know, maybe 10 different dies with Christmas wording, but this is the one I thought I would use the most, so I grabbed that one. I just did a quick die cut out of this Elizabeth Crafts die so we can get a look at this and look at that beautiful sentiment. So I thought I would share this and you could get a really good idea of what this die cut looks like. And then the rest are all Distress Oxide inks. So I got some of the new ones, the tea die, really like the color, and I love these oxides because they just blend so much better than the other Distress inks. So I got a few more frayed burlap. I had a couple browns. I had the walnut stain and the vintage photo. And then the new ones, of course, are the tea dye and the frayed burlap. And you can just get a sense of the color difference here. This walnut stain is very, very dark in comparison. And everybody knows vintage photo. The tea dye is obviously a little bit lighter. And this one's kind of in the middle. I can't wait also for them to bring the pumice stone out because I really like that color. And I think that will look awesome in the oxides. And I just love this shaded lilac. This is a really nice color. And I'm really happy that they added that to the new colors. Just to quickly compare this new shaded lilac, I had this one, the wilted violet, and I have another one on the way from Simon Says Stamp, but you can see the color difference there. Really like how light and beautiful this one is, and I figure I'm going to get a lot of use out of this new color. I also got tumbled glass. And this is a really nice lighty blue, lighty green kind of type color. Going into my favorite color, blue, I have Broken China here and Salty Ocean, Blue Print Sketch, and Faded Jeans. I pretty much have all of the blue colors, and now I've got the new one, Tumbled Glass, and as you can see, it is the lightest tone out of all of them. Really like the lightness of this color, and I think it's going to work really well with the rest of the colors. I got a couple that were being cleared out, and this one here was Evergreen Bow, and I really like that color. I think it's a really nice green. And I thought I would share also the green family for this Evergreen Bow that I also got, and it is a nice shade. It's very kind of close to these kind of combined, but there's kind of the darker tones with the peeled paint and the ice spruce, not quite as bright a color. And then we've got everybody's beloved peacock feathers, the cracked pistachio, and I just love this Lucky Clover. It's such a bright, happy color. And then, of course, the new one here. I also got carved pumpkin, which I didn't have. Thought I'd just compare. Here's this fossilized amber and the spiced marmalade, and the new one that I have is the carved pumpkin. And again, I do have more of these inks coming from Simon Says Stamp, but just to give you a little bit of showing you the differences between the colors. It's really great if you have all the inks because then you have quite a variety of shades. And I also got Hickory Smoke. And just to compare the black soot is quite dark. And then there's this Hickory Smoke. And I really like the lightness in this. You're still going to get that blacky type look, but it's going to be a lighter black, more in the gray tones. So really like the difference there. These Distress Oxide inks are amazing. They are amazing to stamp with. They're fun to play with. They've got that reaction to water. I've got some videos where I've done some waters and stencils with the Oxide inks. So I'm just so happy I have more to play with here. And then I'll just show quickly here a couple cards that I made. This is totally not my style card, but I was kind of just playing around a little bit. But I had some of these stickers left, and I think it's from an old basic gray set, and I thought I'd really like to use them. So I put it together with some papers and some die cuts. I did some sewing on them, and I came up with these two cards. So I thought that was fun. I've spent a lot of time filming some videos. I didn't get a chance to film many because the kids have been home and it's been a little noisy to film videos, but the other day they were both out and I filmed about 9 videos. So there's lots of videos on the way. The What's in My Stash series will continue, as well as a few hauls. And I'm expecting more things from Simon Says Stamps, so that will be fun, and I'll have a haul when I get those in. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this haul. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for more videos, and you can also click the bell for the notifications. By being subscribed, sometimes you're not always notified when new videos come out, so if you press the bell on my YouTube page, you will be able to be notified when all the new videos come out. So you can check me out on my website, and again, subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.